Hey guys, it's Sue with Ava's Bridal Couture in Fort Worth, Texas. I'm doing a little try-on video for you ladies. There's a couple of things that I want to point out to you guys on this one. Number one, bra situation. So obviously I'm a full-figured woman. I've got a nice full cup, and a lot of you have great questions about, well, Sue, this dress is backless. How am I going to get the support that I need? Well, my girls don't do well with lack of support. I definitely don't want that full volume here in my neck, but I also want to have good support. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a strapless underwire bra, and I'm going to cut that down the middle and actually sew the underwire into the dress and still keep you backless. And then I want the dress to fit you well. So I'm going to take in these sides right here and make sure that this is good. I'm going to take up the straps. Don't go too tight on your straps because you don't want all the support to be from here. You really want it to be through this hip. So you want the boning and all the structure that's in the dress